Hello students, here's a preview of lesson 1.16.4, American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. Today we will work on your English vocabulary, pronunciation, comprehension, reading, and communication skills. We begin with Beginning English video lesson 16 of 52. So to get to the lesson, we click on the link. And then we have a speaking practice video of 7 minutes. So practice once or twice with this video. Actually watch this video 1 or 2 times at least. Then you have the pronunciation practice video, which is only a minute, so practice with this video 2 or 3 times. Okay. Then you have part 3, which is a long dialogue, okay? And for the dialogue, what you need to do is first you press the play button, you listen to the dialogue being read to you, and you read along with the audio. If you're having trouble understanding the dialogue, I suggest you go to translate. After you read it and listen to it in English, translate into another language that you can speak well, your primary language, hopefully, and read it in your primary language, okay? Read the dialogue in your primary language. After you finish, we have the video lesson. So you click on the play button and you watch this video once or twice, okay? And then you have the quiz, and you click on the quiz link, and you have 4 questions. Anna wants to know about Luis's country. Pick the right question. What is your country? Where is your family? Where are you from? What is your name? Okay, so you can select and click on next question to do the future questions. Okay, so Anna is interviewing people here. All right, students, so this is pretty much it, and I want you to do your best with lesson 1.16.4. Not only does it help you improve your comprehension skills, but also your communication skills. So please do your best, and I will see you on another lesson. Okay? Best wishes. Thank you for working so hard.